So if you guys remember, a little over 2 years ago, I've given my own PC to my brother, Big Red, which is sitting right over here. It's packing the 4930K. We got 32 gigs of RAM and the MSI GTX 980 Ti, and it's starting to show its age, and I kind of wanted to build up a newer PC, something with more of the latest specs. So we're bringing it up to date with the KB Lake platform. I didn't give him a Christmas gift, so this will technically be his gift, even though we're shooting it at the end of December. Better late than never, I suppose. But let's go over some parts real quick. Starting with the CPU, we are going with the i7-7700K. Even though we are downgrading from a 6-core to a quad-core, this actually has a lot better gaming performance, especially once you overclock it to 5 GHz. Speaking of overclocking, we're going to be using the Corsair H100i-V2. I actually had 2 of these laying around, so we're going to be using this, and I'm actually going to swap out the 2 stock fans for some LED ones. What else? For RAM, we are actually downgrading 32 gigs of RAM to 16. Viper actually sent this over recently. These are RGB RAM sticks, 16 gigs at 3200 megahertz, which is more than plenty for what he uses the PC for. Now for storage, we're keeping it simple. We're giving him an MP510 from Corsair. This is an M.2 SSD, 480 gigabytes of space, and he downloads a lot of porn and videos, so we're gonna give him a 4 terabyte hard drive from Seagate. And finally, the GPU that we are upgrading from the 980 Ti is the Asus Strix RX Vega 64. The monitor he's currently using supports FreeSync, so this will take advantage of that. It'll help reduce screen tearing as well as stuttering. Powering the entire build was supposed to be the Seasonic 520 watt, but I just realized this is not gonna be enough power, especially we're gonna be overclocking both the GPU and CPU. So luckily, Corsair sent one of these a few weeks back. We're gonna be dropping in the HX850, so this is gonna be plenty of juice for it. I did order some mods to spiff up the build. I picked up some custom sleeve extensions from Amazon, as well as this dope RGB backplate from B1 Tech. Since he's into Warcraft, I thought I'd put in a horde symbol in the middle there. And lastly, everything is going inside the beautiful Corsair Crystal 280X RGB case. This is a micro-ATX case with 2 included RGB fans. I personally think it's gonna look awesome once everything is put together. The whole theme of the build is supposed to be mostly white with black accents, but we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, guys, these are pretty much all the parts I'm gonna be using in the build. But let's take a closer look at Big Red and see how he kept it for the past 2 years. So I drove over to pick up the PC in the morning, and I kid you guys not, when I looked through the side panel, the first thing I noticed, well, other than how disgusting the PC is that there is a fan blade just chilling on the floor over here. And not only that, but it's missing 2 blades, which are nowhere to be found. I can safely say that this PC has not been touched since I gave it to him. I love my brother to death, but he cannot take care of anything if his life depended on it. I don't even know what this white pieces are on the top here. Like, where is this coming from? Let's pop the front cover here. You guys ready for this? Oh my God. Yep, look at this. This is disgusting. Oh my God. Surprisingly, there's no issues with the PC. It's running fine, no lagging, no crashing, stuff like that. The only issue he has is with the software. There's a virus in there right now. I don't know what on earth he downloads every single time, but there's always a bunch of pop-ups coming up and it's freezing his screen. But it's not related to the actual hardware, so that's good. So what I'm gonna do with this PC, after I'm done wiping off the operating system and doing a deep cleaning, which it desperately needs, is I'm gonna give this away to one of my Instagram followers. I'm gonna go on my Instagram account, I'm gonna make a stories basically saying that I'm giving this PC away, and whoever lives close by can come by and pick it up. There's gonna be a catch though. The person that I select in the DMs has to answer 5 questions that only a loyal subscriber knows. Gotta make sure that the person wins is worthy enough, if that makes any sense. So yeah, with that said, go on my IG account right now and see what I can find. All right guys, listen up closely. If you're in the LA area and you want to take home a gaming PC, specifically this one over here, it's my old PC. It's got a 4930K, 6-core processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and the MSI GTX 980 Ti. I'm giving this away to one lucky Instagram follower that lives in the LA area. DM me if you're interested. All right, so I'm using my main phone to record audio, which is why I'm using Bob's phone to look through my Instagram account. We went to grab an air duster. In the meantime, we got a bunch of DMs, so I'm gonna scroll through them real quick and pick one lucky bastard. That person actually has to answer 5 questions, and then he'll be the winner of the PC. So, too bad I live in the UK. Okay, that's good to know. Not even lives in expensive LA area. You need to start doing all around the US giveaways. I think this person forgot, doesn't realize the point of it. It was kind of like on the spot giveaway. I'm sorry, Candy.
Honestly, people complain about everything. What the hell?
Half these people are just like upset because it's not local.
Qualified.
Yeah. How much doesn't make that would be dope. I live in Canada. Thank you for letting me know you live in Canada. Okay. But I need that PC. I sadly don't live in LA, but I would really want and need that PC you have. Bruh.
Giving away a PC is harder than you would think.
Believe me, guys, believe me. Hi, my name is Jess. I live in LA. I would love to enter and try to win a PC. But do you really live in LA? Hey, where do you live exactly? By the time I dust this and get it ready, because I still have to restore Windows on here, we'll give him what, like an hour or 2 to drive by? Oh, it's seen it. He's seen it. He's active. I just realized he has to answer 5 questions, and then if it doesn't work out, we have to pick somebody else. This might take a while, guys. I probably won't even put this part in the video until I find somebody that answers all 5 questions. I think that'd be the easiest way. So I live near Chatsworth in my Winnetka. It's a small city. Okay. Oh, I used to live in Chatsworth. Oh, he lives near Chatsworth. I'd rather call him and just get this over with. Can I call you? What's your number? All right, here we go.
Hello?
Hey, is this Jesse? King Jesse?
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Ed?
Yeah, this is Ed from Techstars. What's happening?
Not much, man. Nothing much.
Nothing much?
I just saw your post and I thought I'd, give it a shot.
Nice. All right, man. Well, here's the thing, man. One thing I didn't tell you is that you have to actually answer 5 questions. And then if you answer them all correctly, then you got yourself a new PC. Are you down for that?
Okay. Yeah, I'm down.
Cool. No sweat, by the way. If you don't win, nothing happens. So you move on with your day.
Alright.
All right, so first question is, what is the name of my PC? Specifically, the PC I'm actually giving away.
I believe the name is Big Red.
Big, okay, all right, I feel like that's an easy one. Okay, next question. I recently picked up a Tesla. Do you know which model it is?
I think it's the Model X.
All right, next question. What are the last 3 videos on the channel? Or you can name any of the recent videos you've seen on the channel, any of the 3 videos you can name off.
I recently watched one about you surprising a subscriber with a new PC build and everything.
Okay.
And then I know you posted one about cheap budget RGB gaming mouse pads. And then I think there was another one about budget PCs.
Budget PCs, can you be specific on that one?
Like gaming PCs, builds, and stuff like that.
Okay, the configuration, the 3 different budgets?
Yeah.
Do you know the amounts by any chance?
I think it ranged from like 500 to like 3,000, something like that.
Damn, you're good, Jesse. Second to last question, what is the person's name for season 2 of Setup Makeover?
Okay, I got this one. I think his name was Harry.
Damn, that's good, okay. Last question, what is the theme of my last water-cooled build on the channel?
Oh, this one's easy. It's the Venom.
I guess that kind of goes hand in. If he knows the name of Harry in season 2, then he probably knows, but. All right, dude, congrats. Damn, okay, you just won yourself a beast gaming PC.
No way. So wait, are you gonna come to me or do I come to you? Like, how does this work?
I can come to you as long as you want to pay a $100 delivery fee. I'm just kidding, man. I'll tell you what, man, I'll dust this for you. I'm gonna wipe off the Windows operating system. If you can get here within the next few hours, come pick it up. I'm at the office. I'll text you the address. How's that?
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it.
No worries, man. I'm just glad he knew all the answers instead of going through like a bunch of other people. All right, so I'm going to go in and clean this thing up and get it ready for Jesse, and then we can move on to building my brother a PC. I feel like we should have done this two separate videos, but whatever. It is what it is. Let's do this. I'm wearing a jacket, by the way, because it's freezing outside. Don't mind me. I just realized I gotta replace that broken fan too before I give it to him. God damn, look at that. Be gone. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta make it a habit to dust your PC at least every, what, 2-3 months, I would say. If you're really lazy, do it every 3 months, you know, but don't let it get this bad. Good as new. All right. Papa's gonna take care of you. I think we're good. Actually, while I'm doing that, let me get rid of this fan and this broken fan blade. This is what a fan looks like without the blade, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I'm actually gonna swap it with this. Fresh new 140mm fan. Let's plug this in the motherboard real quick. All right, so the only thing left to do is install a fresh copy of Windows and then wait for Jesse to arrive so that I can give this to him. Step on over here in front of the camera, don't be shy. Take a look at your, what's up, man? How's it going?
Hi, man.
Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. So here it is, man. Big red in the flesh. Have you seen the original video when I built this PC? Which is, I don't know, what, 4 years ago? It's been a while.
Honestly, I don't think I did.
All right, get out of here. That's it, you're done. Let me open this up for you. So, did a lot of cleaning in there, of course. I replaced the top fan. It was actually broken. I don't know where it is now, but throwing a brand new Corsair ML140 fan. It's white LEDs. Got the GTX 980 Ti from MSI, 48930K 6-core processor, 12 threads, and you got 32 gigs of RAM. So this is gonna be set for you pretty much any game you wanna play. It's a little outdated, but it'll get the job done. So what do you think, man?
I think, you know, it looks amazing. I like the color scheme because like black and red is like my favorite.
You like black and red?
Yeah.
Okay, so it worked out, nice.
Yeah.
So you never had a PC before?
No, I never had one.
So what'd you been gaming on?
Like a PS4.
PS4?
Yeah.
Dang, what game do you play?
Fortnite, Black Ops 4, and like Overwatch, stuff like that.
Nice. So what game are you gonna play on the PC? What's your first game you wanna boot up on here?
Fortnite.
Fortnite? Why Fortnite? So what do you plan on doing with the PC now that you
Well,
got
honestly, now that I have a PC, I kind of want to get into streaming because I see a lot of people doing it, and I just want to make like content people will enjoy, like a Fortnite content, and maybe some Black Ops 4, but I'm a lot better at Fortnite.
Okay. You've been playing Fortnite since it launched?
Not since it launched, maybe like season 2.
Season 2. I mean, you have a 6-core, so it's gonna handle streaming well. And you have a GTX 980 Ti, so you can pretty much max any game, 1080p, maxed out settings. If you have any issues with the PC, hit me up. You have my number. It's a pretty big jump from PS4. Yeah, dude, congratulations again. Thanks for coming out here. Enjoy your PC. Do not break it. You can sell it if you want. I won't make a video on it or anything, but it's yours. Take good care of it, man. This has a lot of sentimental value. It was passed down from me to my brother, which did not take good care of it. I'm hoping you can take good care of it. I'm giving you an air duster. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. I'm gonna go back to building the PC for my brother. So after 2 weeks, the build is finally complete. And the reason why it took 2 weeks is because I had to leave for CES, and then when I got back, I got the flu. I'm still recovering, by the way. So I had to take another week off. And in the meantime, I got a haircut, new background, so a lot of things has changed from the beginning of this video, in case you guys are wondering. But anywho's, I think the build came out beautifully. What do you guys think? I think there's a good balance between white and black. I did do my best to try and paint as many parts in the case as I could to make it mostly white, you know, like the radiator, the pump bracket, thumb screws, even the PCI brackets near the back, and the mesh filters for the top and the front. I did try to paint the grommets at one point and realized how stupid I am after the paint cracked while I was putting it back inside the case. Lesson definitely learned. You gotta use a different type of paint for rubber, but honestly I think it looks better this way anyways. That way it keeps the white on black contrast consistent throughout the build. So there were 2 snags that I came across while building this PC. The first one being that the motherboard does not have a USB 2 header. Why, ASUS? I don't even know how I overlooked that, but because of it, I wasn't able to hook up the pump and the Corsair Node Pro to control the RGB lighting for the front 2 fans. And honestly, it's kind of stupid not to include at least one USB 2 header on a motherboard. I don't care if it's a mini ITX. I've seen it on a lot of mini ITX boards, but for some reason this board does not have one. Kind of disappointing. But anyways, I went on Amazon and I found a solution. So I bought 2 of these adapter cables. It's basically a way around not having any USB headers on the board. So you plug one end of it to an actual USB port and the other end to whatever you need to connect. The downside to this is you have to use up your USB ports in the back of your PC. I actually got lucky with this case because instead of having to drill a hole on the side panel to route the cable back inside the PC, all I did was just remove the hard drive cover in the back and sneak the cable inside. Other than those 2 minor snags, it's been a very smooth build. And the 7700K has been overclocked to 5 GHz on all cores. Temps are really cool and it's very silent. It's actually running Heaven Benchmark right now and you guys can't hear anything. Like it is dead silent right now. And that about does it for this video. I do have a buttload of PC builds coming up, guys. I'm actually going to be upgrading my PC back at home. I'm going to be giving Big Red the RTX treatment. It's going to be a water-cooled, epic build. You guys don't want to miss that. I do have some build guides coming up as well and other water-cooled projects as well. I got to catch up on PC builds on the channel. I know I've been slacking, guys. My apologies. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more types of this content, make sure to smack the crap out of that like button and please don't feel bad by disliking if that is what your heart desires. I am completely fine with that. I'll drop a link to all the parts used in this build. I think my brother's going to like it. He's going to be psyched when he sees this. And if you guys want to see a time-lapse video of this PC from start to finish, I'll also drop a link to that as well. There's a lot of stuff I've done to it that I didn't include in this video because it would be a very long video. It's actually still a pretty long video and I apologize for that. I don't know why I'm still rambling. Oh guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video.